It's very possible that we could be looking at a long trade. We've got the setup for it. It is looking really nice. We just got to wait for the actual signal. So another minute or so to go, and I'll put the video on pause. We'll come back. If there's a trade, awesome. If not, we'll just have to wait some more. Well, we've got the signal, so I'm going to buy. So we're in a buy trade right now. The stop loss is placed, and I will just let the system itself tell me when to get out. So we're in a buy trade. Things are looking good. When the system tells me to get out, then I will. So I'll be back shortly, and we'll see how this trade plays out. This trade is coming along nice. This is the US dollar Japanese yen. So we are looking at getting our take profit hit fairly closely. The market has told us where that take profit needs to be, and this is where it's at. So we are getting pretty close to this. So again, I'm going to put the video on pause, and hopefully I will catch this as it takes us out. But if not, we'll miss it just by a little bit, but you'll see how the trade actually worked. Well, there we go. We were taken out of this trade. I didn't hardly get to put the video on pause for more than just a couple seconds. This was the entry candle. This is where we were taken out. And if I were to pull up the terminal, this would be the trade that we had taken. Let's put this on the chart. Entry on this candle. This is where the blue arrow is, and we were taken out right here for a nice tiny little profit of $1,442.29. Very straightforward. The signs are clear. There's very little that we have to wonder about. And again, the market, or the indicators, they tell us exactly where the market is going to go to, and we place our targets and our stops accordingly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another live trade video.